Hello everyone, and welcome to an introduction to the resurfacing project planned for Highway 67. My name is Ryan Cole, and I'm an engineer currently working for the Wisconsin DOT Southwest Region. To begin, our staff for the design of this project consists of Kurt Johnson as project supervisor, Chris Hazard as project manager, and myself as project design engineer. The project identification, or ID, is the number 36630072. And is bounded by a point at 107 feet to the east of Gateway Boulevard, just south of Beloit, and a point about 1/3 of a mile west of Highway 140, south of Clinton. This brings the total project length to about 6 miles. Here we have the anticipated start point for the project at about 107 feet east of Gateway Boulevard. The red line crossing the roadway lines up with an existing break in the asphalt, with newer asphalt to the west and older asphalt to the east where we will be resurfacing. The endpoint of this project is currently fluid, as we'll have to tie into a roundabout being built at the Highway 140-Highway 67 intersection. This roundabout will be built in 2024, and where it ends to the west will be the eastern bound of the project. Currently, that point lies about 1/3 of a mile west of the Highway 140 intersection. The existing conditions of Highway 67 vary only slightly, with many differences coming from near County P. Most of the section of roadway consists of two 11-foot lanes with 3-foot gravel shoulders. Near County P, however, the roadway turns into two 12-foot lanes with 3 to 6-foot shoulders. Of the 6 feet of shoulder, generally 3 feet are paved with asphalt and the other 3 feet are gravel. In the sections near County P that are only 3 foot, they are all gravel like the rest of the roadway. For water drainage, there are 4 small culvert pipes which pass under the roadway and appear to be in good condition. Traffic counts place average daily traffic, or ADT, at between 1,150 and 3,480 vehicles per day, depending on the location along the project. Of those 1,150 to 3,480 vehicles, between 6.9% and 13.7% were found to be trucks. The roadway itself has been designed for 19.5% trucks, as the percentage of trucks is expected to increase in the future. Now we'll get into what the Wisconsin DOT plans to change. For starters, we will be performing a 3.5-inch mill-in 4-inch overlay, which means 3.5 inches of existing asphalt will be removed and 4 inches of new asphalt will be poured in its place. This will result in an overall change in road height of 0.5 inches, which will make the asphalt stronger and more resistant to the wear associated with heavy traffic, like semi-trucks. This project will be keeping the width of the lanes that already exist throughout the project the same, and the overall shoulder width will also stay the same. All in all, no change to how the road is shaped currently is planned at this time. In updating safety measures, beam guard runs will be repaired as necessary, and their ends upgraded to newer, safer energy-absorbing terminals, also known as EATs. This project will be completed under road closure with an official detour. During this time, all locals will retain access to the driveways, and local traffic will be allowed to move within the road closure as much as reasonably possible. As for the detour itself, the current expectation is to use Interstate 3990 to US Highway 43 to State Highway 140. This will also be the same as the truck detour. The 4 cross culvert pipes that exist under this stretch of roadway appear to be working well, and will be left as is for this project. Additionally, at this time, no real estate appears to be needed to complete this project, and as it stands, everything should be repaired within the confines of existing road real estate. The current schedule has this project out for bid on December 8, 2026, with construction planned to take place sometime in 2027. However, there is a chance for this project to be advanced out to bid on August 13, 2024, with construction in 2025 depending on funding. Changes to the project schedule will be reflected on the project website where you found this presentation. Thank you all very much for your time, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.